open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends.
What is up? What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be hydro dipping some Crocs. This is something very different that I'm doing. It's my first time, but like I said, you know, got nothing else to do, so I'm just doing all type of stuff. Okay, to start off this video, we are gonna cut everything off the shoe. And I will say I don't have any gloves and I'm not going to the store, so it's just gonna have to stain my hands. But if you guys want to do this, get some gloves. So we're gonna take this off. Okay, shoes are apart. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is, I don't want the paint like inside my feet and under, so I'm gonna tape all that up on the inside and the outside. I'm gonna take this off and tape this little circle. So bear with me because this is my first time. But I'll speed all this up so you don't have to watch all the slow and boring part. Okay guys, I have the tape all inside. I missed up there, but hey, that shouldn't be touching my toes. I really just don't want the paint like in there sticking my toes. So I got it there, there. And I was gonna do the bottom, but I'm gonna just leave it and let it get, or I'll probably just try to miss it and just go like this. That's what I'll try to do, so we'll see. But while my boyfriend's doing the other shoe, I am going to go ahead and wipe the remover. Wipe that down on the shoe, and I'm gonna leave these white. What is up, guys? It has been 24 hours. It is currently 10:43 a.m. where I am, and I just woke up, but I was so ready to see how these shoes came out. And I'm just gonna show you guys, do like a little pin down, and we're gonna take off this tape, and we're gonna add this back on, and we're gonna talk about it. So let's just get right into it. So overall, I absolutely love them. I am a huge fan of pink. Love how different they are. I love them and stuff. So we're gonna take this off. Look guys, I follow all the instructions. Unlike the sock video. I said I will not ruin anything else. Oh yeah. And one thing I love, guys, is this like the white. So like how all the parts didn't get covered. And I just love how that white is still there, because it'll make this blend in beautiful, you know. On this shoe, this part didn't even get dipped in, but I actually like it. I'm not complaining at all. For my first time doing this, I think I did a pretty decent job. Okay, so both of those look good. Let's go ahead and take out the inside tape. Did a great job. Me and my boyfriend done this. Wow. Yo, these are nice. Let me know what y'all wear these. So now we're gonna put these back on there, and I'm gonna get some footage for you guys in my new Crocs. All right, let's put this on and I'll be right back.